What's up guys? Welcome back. I'm sorry it's been so long since the last video. I've been really busy. Anyways, I got some updates. A new motherboard from ASUS, a Maximus 9 Hero, I think it is, the C270 platform. We got some RGB memory from gskill, the Trident C RGB. Our kit is a 16GB kit rated at 3600 MHz in the XMP profile. And we have some new custom sleeve cables from Mod Guru in Norway. So without any further ado, let's have a look at it. Enjoy. Alright guys, so there you have it. That's all I have for now. I will bring more content and I'm gonna try to keep it weekly this time. Really sorry for you, those of you that have taken the time to subscribe to me. Thank you very much. I'm gonna try to get videos up weekly. I hope you enjoyed this. Thanks for watching. Like if you liked it, dislike if you didn't like it. Leave a comment down below if you have anything to add, and please hit that subscribe button. I'm Chris with Tactis. See you all in the next one.